I want to make light soup with this beautiful delicacy. It's called pompano fish. So I'm making light soup. These are all the ingredients I will be using for this light soup. You can see how these are all the ingredients I will be using. Well, welcome to Joy Cook Show. So these are all the peppermints. So right now we're just going to be adding the fish so they all cook together. These are all the fish. You know, it's light soup. So these are the fish. So this is it. Now we have some ingredients to eat. Right now we're going to add seasoning. A little bit of turmeric powder, just a little bit. Salt. This is salt. We're just gonna add a little bit of it. So that is it for now, and we're gonna cover it up and let it cook for at least another 10 minutes. But before that 10 minutes, we're gonna add these spices to this food. So these are the native spices, and right now I'm just gonna add this one to it and let it start to cook with that. Then this, I will pound it with my mortar and add it to it. These are all the spices. You can see. So these are the spices. I just have to add it to the mortar and pound everything. It's already planned. So now I have to take some it. So this is the light soup. Let's see. Okay. So this is the fish pepper soup. It's cooked now. This is the light soup. This is so good. The aroma is everything. So you can see this is it. So it's time to serve this very delicious soup. So this is how to make this very light soup called pepper soup. This is it. So good. So these are this light soup. Oh my god, you can see how, oh, this is so good. Serve it with rice. With this weather, this is the right food for this weather. And see how delicious this food is. So please subscribe to this channel, and you are all welcome to my channel. Thank you all for now.